Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace a bunch of LEDs in a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. So I don't know exactly what time frame it is, but if your Volkswagen looks like this, I'll actually have it up on the screen right here. So you guys can know if your car is between like this year and this year, this is for you. So I actually went onto Amazon and actually bought this little box right here, which comes with 4 LED lights and then like a little pry tool so you can pry off some of the panels, because I'm pretty sure you're actually going to need that. But this was like I don't know, like 17, no, it's like 15 bucks, something around $15. So it's clean white LEDs for the interior lights of a Jetta. So right now, as you can see, I have pretty much like the regular lights, which are just like the dark orange glow. You can see the other two right there. And the last one is right here in the trunk. So I really am not a fan of these kind of like the dark orange glow. So once I swap these out with the bright LEDs, it's going to be so much nicer. Alright, and since I am already here in the trunk, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to replace the rear light for the trunk. So if you notice, there's like a little tiny notch like right here that you can kind of like stick like something flat in. Little kit came with a little pry tool. So I'm just going to take the pry tool, just stick it right in there. And look at that, just like that, the light drops right down. Alright, so this is like a regular light bulb, kind of like what you might find in your house, where it kind of has like a burning filament and it gets super hot. I'm just going to go ahead and there's a little tab on either side. You can kind of push in the little tab on each side and just disconnect the entire unit. So just like that, it's disconnected. The light, I can already feel it. It's like really hot. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and just pop this out. Use a little pry tool here. Just go push it out from one side. And as you can see, this is the old light bulb, which is like it's actually super hot. This is the new LED one, which has like these little xenon bulbs. So that's just essentially going to pinch right in there. There's like a little tiny hole that one end's going to sit in, and then that's where the other end's going to sit in. And then once you put it in, as you can see, it's a flat panel. So you're going to have the little white lights facing wherever you want the light to project. So in this case, I'm going to have them facing towards the clear lens so that it can shine straight out. But honestly, it just pushes right in, snapped right into place, and it's that simple. Alright, so let me just adjust it a little bit so that it's pretty much aimed straight down. Alright, I think that's good. Now I'm just going to go ahead and plug it right into the little plug that's still hanging down here. Look at that. And then just going to take that end, push it right up in there. And just like that, the old kind of like filament light has been replaced with a nice clean white LED. And that'll actually at night light up the entire trunk and be so much brighter. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and move into the front seat. So for the front mirror, you can take a little pry tool, kind of push it up into the front. And you're going to wedge it and you're going to kind of swing it down a little bit. Oh, let's get up in there. There we go. And then it's just going to kind of pull it straight down on the front. And it just swings down and comes right out. And there you can see the actual filament bulb just like in the back. This is going to be the exact same procedure where you're just going to pop that one out and stick the new one in. And like I said before, be careful because these will be hot. So what I did was just pretty much use like the little pry tool, move the piece of metal out of the way, and just allow the light to fall straight down. So now I'm going to go ahead and stick the LED in here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and turn it to aim straight down. And now what I'm going to do is just take the little cover. I'm just going to pretty much pop it right back on into place. There we go. Just like that, the front light is now replaced with a nice clean LED. And now we're just going to go ahead and move on to the back. Alright, so before you get started with this one, you can actually turn the lights to the off position by putting it to like the little 0 here. So then like the lights aren't super hot. So I've already done this side, so I just have to replace this one, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So we're going to take a little wedge tool, and you're going to take it between like the kind of like the clear plastic and then the gray plastic, and you wedge it straight up between there, and then you're going to kind of pry it down. And I can kind of grab it with my, right here there's like a little lip, so you can kind of grab it with your finger, and once you do that, you can just kind of pull it straight down and out. Oh, something like a little bug or something that's kind of hanging there. So then just like the other side, this might be hot. So what you can do is actually take the little tool, push out, and kind of like drop the light bulb itself down, just kind of let it fall to the floor. There we go. Then what you're going to do is take the light and that little circle right there, you're just going to set it right in there. And then align it with right there. And then you want to turn it and kind of angle it straight down. You're going to take the little cover, you're going to put it right back in here. And you want to be careful because you don't want to break those little tabs. And then you're just going to push it right back up into place. Alright, so now when I turn it right back on, you can see that the lights are nice, clean, white. So the whole car got the ones up front replaced, the ones in the back, and then the one in the trunk. Alright, so as you can see, here's kind of like a little bit of like a before and after of like the dome lights in the front and in the back of the Jetta.